Hey everyone. So about a month ago, it was brought to my attention that I had not put an option for a non-school day, which would be a holiday or a school break. So I went into everybody's school files and I changed the template to include a non-school day. But I noticed that a lot of you had already started your individual student files, and I wasn't able to go through all of them to add that non-school day option. So this is how you would do it if you don't have a non-school day option on your file. So if you look at this sample, it does not have a non-school day option. So what you would do is you would just click on one of the cells under service, and you would go to data, then data validation, and then under source, you can see all the individual selections you can make from the pull down menu. And you can see that they are divided by commas. So be sure that when you add the selection that you have commas before and after. This is the only really tricky part. I put the non-school day option after provider unavailable. You kind of have to use your mouse to click on it and scroll left and right, to find that place. If you use your keyboard left and right arrows, what will happen, it adds this weird cell thing. So you don't want to do that. You just want to use your mouse to scroll left and right to find that place. So after you find that place after provider unavailable, you just type in non-school day and then just be sure to add a comma after. So you can see there's a comma before and then after. And then really important, you want to select this box, apply these changes to all other cells so that you don't have to do it to every cell individually. So you can see it goes down to all the rows and applies all the changes. And then click OK, and then just be sure you save that file before you close it out. So now you can see that the non-school day option is available. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.